All right, everyone, welcome back. Doing another bang bang today. If you recall, the bang bang is when you hit one place for food and then you immediately hit another place. So I'm doing another pizza burger pizza. I'm doing it in reverse order from last time, doing the pizza first and then the burger. Last time I did burger first, then pizza. I did zillions and lovelies. This time I'm doing a pizza joint called LUZZO, which is over by me on Avenue B and like 2nd Street. And then I'm gonna go try this place called LUZZO, which is on 5th Street at Avenue B. The cake dealer's meeting me. It's gonna be a quick ride and review. Been walking by these places every once in a while and just been meaning to try them out. So this is the perfect reason to do it. It's a nice day. It's beautiful out. Mid-70s, sunny. Great weekend. Right now I'm on Grand Street. I'm going to take this right here on Clinton and then ease my way through. I'm sure there's going to be some traffic on Clinton. There always is, leading up to the bridge, the Williamsburg Bridge. And then I just got to cross over Houston, and they're like, both places are like right there. So, yeah. So this place is LUZZO. It says it's a Neapolitan style pizza joint on the signage. So I'm always trying to find another good one of those styles. They're not always great. Sometimes they're a little floppy in the center because of the way the dough is. But you know, that's just that's what's to be expected with that style. So hey, now I'm on Clinton Street, heading up. The traffic doesn't look too bad. There's always generally a lot of people coming off the bridge and making this turn, so there's always a lot of cars on this street. Oh, and now we got construction too to add to it all. So yeah, first joint is Neapolitan style. The second place, LUZZO, is in the location where Black Iron Burger used to be. The first location of Black Iron. They had a few. There was one in Midtown. There was one down here in Lower East Side, Alphabet City. So, I don't know when it became LUZZO, but I'm definitely interested to try it based on the way it looks. It looks like a little luncheonette, but you know, bar at the same time. So that's kind of unique. And all right, we're pulling up to LUZZO, first place right here on the corner. So all right, see you on the inside, LUZZO's. All right, next spot. I'll save my review for the ride home, but that pizza was just okay. Definitely have had better. Basically, the regular slice was passable. The pepperoni slice is passable, but for $5 to $6 a pop, it's not worth it. The other slice, the Genovese slice, the square one with the pesto, it was a little bit gummy. The dough was a little bit gummy. It's very strange. Toppings tasted good, but you know, I don't know. I would say skip it. Better off at a dollar joint. All right, so I guess I did get my whole review in. Here's the burger joint, Live Burger. All right.
Yeah, you were saying
In the back. Now that was good. Crispy patty, 6 ounces, cooked on the flat top. You get that nice charred, not charred, but browned flavor explosion concentrated on that patty. Toppings were nicely thin, good portions. A lot of times you get like too thick of a tomato or too many onions. That was just right. They did a good job on that. Fries could have used a little salt, but they were crispy and nicely cooked. The onion rings were great. Big breaded, crispy, fulfilling onion rings. So this place is a yes. I would definitely go back there again. In fact, I want to try we did their American burger. Their original is like melted brie and caramelized onion. So I think I want to try that next time because that's like their signature. Live Burger. Definitely down to do that again. So that's it. That's the Bang Bang. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, and tell your fucking grandma.